Okay, James, just so you know, we're just headed straight to Roosevelt.
Alright, copy you.
Copy, 10-4, copy. So last second, as usual, we're making it happen. We're now on the way to go meet the crane at the Hollywood Bowl. We got Gabe and Thad here doing some different rollers. Carter Dale's driving. Oz is in here with us as well. James is getting used to driving this UNIMOG. It's a bear for sure. You've got like full semi-transmission, but it's looking good and everything's working really well. Here comes Gabe in 3, 2, 1. Watch that parallax, Gabe. Oh, Gabe!
Yes. Oh, wow. That was the shot. That was the shot. We are adding one more ridiculous element to the process, which is to brand up the crane that's going to take the GT3 Raw Spec to the roof of the Roosevelt. We need a shot of the UNIMOG and the crane rolling in together. That looks really good, actually. Oh, yeah. Holy shit.
All right, okay.
We gotta go!
I might cry when this car gets to the road. So many months of hard work and being told no when we cannot take no for an answer.
What did Dom do? Dom saved the day again, as usual. Andy, come in here. Andy, talk about this. Dom always saves the day.
Saves the day as usual. We had these parts that did not arrive from where we needed them to, so when that happens, you just have your friend completely make them from scratch.
You can see him right here,
And
Jacob.
they're right there.
We got a race car. Today it's not going racing. Today it's going on a rooftop in the middle of Hollywood on a crane.
Have you ever just hold your breath?
Yo, this is just really live right now. It's amazing to see, like, we started race service like about, what, 6 years ago? So to see it in a lockup with AMG and Bib and the Michelin Man, like, we've been working with those companies so long, to see that moment happening is really, that's really cool.
Tired. When you give yourself to something as much as you give yourself to this, it's so insignificant in the scheme of things, but it's also kind of crazy. And yeah, it's really emotional to see just a product of so much hard work, like in such a very like visceral example, which is equal to like the visceral example of bringing our sport to the world in a new way. In this case, it's a weird crane, top of a weird hotel. Look at that thing.
shining, sunset, beautiful, Hollywood. Everyone's happy. Now we just need to fill this place up with a couple hundred people and party.
You know, I think anytime you get so close to something, you need a break in perspective, so to speak. You know, at the end of the day, we just put a car on a roof, not a big deal. But there was so much more to it, and I'm so proud of all the things we were able to achieve. It all just was pushed as literally as hard as we possibly can. Like every aspect of it was pushed, and every aspect of it we were met with resistance, and that's the proof of a good project. Every single detail was questioned. Every single thing that people liked was fought for. That, at the end of the day, is what it's all about. Like, I don't care what you're doing. It's doing it with people that you love and care about and that you can share growth with. Because I think at the end of the day, the secret to life is growth. The party was legendary. Man, Anderson .Paak played Anderson .Paak. How cool was that? It was like, not only was he DJing, but he was playing his Grammy-nominated hits. Like, you don't get that. And then Ty Dolla $ign strolled in, and Gunna was like, "What up?" IDK was like, "Yeah, I told you guys these guys are cool." It couldn't be possible without the love and support of our loved ones and you guys. Keep the comments coming, keep the vibes coming, and keep showing up. We'll keep making stuff. Thanks for watching.